Hey, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Derek, the Oceanside Guy. What's going on today, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of something brand new that I'm going to be adding to my SeaDoo, my 2023 SeaDoo GTX-230. Been looking to do this for a long time and I finally got it. It's right here in the box. I'm gonna unbox it. This is gonna be a pretty quick video. I'm gonna unbox it, show you all the little pieces that are inside, and you might have noticed I got this guy right here. This one is hidden until the end of the video, so stick around to see what this one is. They are gonna be both super excellent additions to my ski, but also this one will be an excellent addition not only to the ski and all the places that I'm riding around and visiting, going to Catalina, back and forth, everywhere. This one's gonna be huge. I can't give it away. So let's just kind of put this over here just for a moment. Let's unbox on what's here. Can you guys guess what it is already? Here it is, something I've been wanting to get for a long time, and I finally got it, and I'm actually super excited. So when I'm riding around in the ocean, definitely like to go in close to the shoreline and explore a little bit closer. How close am I? And of course, how deep am I? Well, I never really know exactly how deep I am when I'm in close to the shoreline. So you maybe have guessed what it is so far. Let's unbox it. It is the depth finder. Yes, I'm super excited about it. Let's get it open right now. Okay, so I gotta be honest with you, I've already opened it and kind of looked through everything that's here. So, but just to show you what we got in the box. So, of course, we have the BRP instructions, and what's in here too is not only the instructions, but let's see, we've got some zip ties in here that we're gonna be needing when we hook everything up. And the instructions, I already went to the website, I already printed out the instructions. Looks pretty simple. And looks like we've got a gel pad here, and that's going to be for the depth finder itself. Put that over there. All right, so we've got these items so far. All right, we have our connecting cables that's going to go straight to the depth finder and then up to our accessories that we'll have to be plugging into. So this is really nice. It's wrapped really nice. It's really strong. It looks really good. And like I said in many of my videos before, I'm not too mechanically inclined, but if I can do it, you can do it. So I've got this, and ooh, this is the depth finder. We'll hold that. Just hold on. Wait for it. And this is going to be the bracket that's going to be sitting on the hull inside of the SeaDoo. So move this out of the way. And so let's open up. Super excited for you guys to see this because I'm super excited. Here is here is the depth finder itself. So we've got the depth finder itself, which is going to go inside this bracket, and I'm going to do a how-to on how to install this whole thing. It's really simple, but I'm not going to take a lot of time on giving you all the how-tos, but just really simple. Here's the bracket, which would go on the inside of the SeaDoo and hull, and this would just go in like so, and it has a bracket on each side that would just clip on. And then, long story really short, this will get plugged into here, of course, and then we would run these wires all the way up to the front of where the accessories would be plugged into. So, and then zip tie everything nice and neat. Our gel pad does go on the depth finder, which is going to go here. But again, that's for the how-to video. So I am super excited to get this installed, and when I'm riding and I'm wanting to get closer to shoreline, as I'm sure some of you guys might want to as well too, to be able to get closer to the shoreline and know exactly how deep you are, this is the depth finder. So I'm super excited about that. So I'm gonna put all these components back, and don't forget, I've got the mystery box right here on what else I'm gonna be adding as an accessory to my ski. So stay tuned for that just for a second, and I'm gonna put all this stuff away really quick. All right, guys, got everything put away again, except for the depth finder, because I'm so excited to get this guy installed. So look for the how-to video that'll be coming up very soon. I'm super excited to get installed, so stay tuned for that. Look for the video. This will be coming up really, really soon. If you are wanting to get the depth finder for your SeaDoo, what I'm gonna do for you guys is I am gonna put a link in the description box below, and that link will drive you right to this specific depth finder, so you don't have to search around for it and wonder where it's at. I'll just make it super simple for you, and you guys can utilize the link that I've got attached to this for you guys and make it super easy, okay? So there's the depth finder, here's the box. I'm actually more excited about this box than I am the depth finder. I don't know, maybe I'm just excited. Okay, so depth finder. All right, this one is a huge, huge accessory to my SeaDoo, but it's also going to really be incorporated in making this channel just so much more detail orientated as far as filming goes, getting good shots for you guys, getting different angles for everybody. As of now, I've just been using the GoPro. I think I'm gonna get more footage and better footage with this right here. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Let's go. Look at that, look at that. Perfect. Let's see what we got. How about it, guys? Here we go. Brand new edition, super excited. Super excited to reveal it. Look at that. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Ho ho ho! I cannot wait to implement this on this channel, not only for me, but for you guys watching, to give you guys super, super good shots of all of the rides that I'm going on with all of our friends that we're taking rides with. This is gonna be super, super, and there's that word again, epic. There's that word again, epic. So I'm super excited to get this thing rocking and rolling. This will be in another video when I start to unbox this guy right here. So stay tuned for the how-to to get this guy all set, ready to go for the depth finder. Stay tuned for that video, and then stay tuned for the unboxing of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Brand new. Super excited. Well, that is it for this video, guys. If you are excited about the install and you're super excited about the unboxing of this guy right here, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you get that alert set ready to go for when I upload the videos for what's coming next. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I'll probably see you on the next how-to, but if not, I'll see you on the water. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the water.